Alerts let you monitor your graph database for specific patterns that could indicate suspicious or interesting behaviors. If you have the adequate rights, you can access the alert dashboard by clicking on Alerts in the top menu. If your administrator has configured one or more alerts, you will see them appear on the alert dashboard as tiles. To open an alert and see if any pattern or match was found in the data, simply click on the tile to open it. The alert opens on the list of newly detected matches. Each row represents a match, and matches are ordered by creation date. If the administrator has set up specific columns for this alert, you can use them to sort matches. The left panel indicates the status and number of matches. A match is either new, confirmed, or dismissed. The new matches haven't been reviewed yet. Confirmed and dismissed are matches that you or your team reviewed and validated or invalidated. To investigate a match, click on the corresponding row. It will open the data in a dedicated visualization interface, designed to streamline match reviews. From here, you can expand nodes, see properties, go into geo mode, or hide items to help you review the match. Once the case is reviewed, use the top menu to dismiss or confirm the match. You can also open the visualization in the workspace, save it as a new visualization, or go back to the list of matches.